Good morning from Dubai. What do we have here today? Porsche Cayenne, 2008. It's a 6-cylinder, although she looks like it's a beast. But yes, it is a 6-cylinder, but she's got the looks of a 12-cylinder, I guess. Looks stunning. Makes her look very muscular, very big, very aggressive. And those wheels just look like they just want to eat the tarmac. Beautiful. This is it. Okay, so where did this car come from? This car in 2008 was sold to some Japanese, went from the US to Japan. And recently, a few months ago, this car was imported to the UAE. This car has never been driven on UAE roads, has never been registered. It is still on the customs papers. The car has some paint, because of course it has the body kit. So because of the body kit, it got some paint. Paint is in excellent condition. There are some places which I'll show you shortly. But let's have a look at the body first. See, that is beautiful. Okay. All right, let's walk around. So we got this beautiful front bumper with that grille. Gives it a very, very aggressive look. I don't know the brand of this body kit. It's Japanese. The wheels are, say, Sport Tech. These do look very, very good, high quality wheels. Right. So let's just have a proper walk around. The car is lowered, much lowered, which gives it a very, very sporty look. Look at that exhaust. Look at that back. Look at that back. Very nice. We'll do a sound check in a minute as well. It does need a bit of a paint job here. You know, there are some small things. Now you're wondering why I left that door open, because the car's been standing for a while. And I left it running, so the car's running. So I didn't want to close all the doors just in case, because the battery's low and all the doors lock. That's why that door is open. People who have older cars, classic cars, they understand why I did this. Look at that. Beautiful, huh? Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Right. Let's have a look at the details now. So there is a slight color difference in the bonnet and the bumper, but that is normal because of course that's plastic and that's metal. But overall condition is really, really good. She does need a bit of a good polish. We prepared it, just washed it and got some wax on it, so it does look very good. You see the headlights for a car 2008, especially we know on the Porsche Cayennes, they are very, very, very sensitive, but they look in excellent condition. Excellent, excellent, excellent. Right? There are some small stone chips which have been done. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. Gorgeous. Right. So. Then the wheels, of course, they have some scratches, so you'd have to do those. Then this is of course been blackened out, so I guess it was silver before, so that would need just recoloring if you wish. The back bumper is pretty much good. It does have this small dent here. This I mentioned earlier, this would do with a repainting job. There is another small dent there, and there's one. So that's 3 little dents on there. You can see there's a small color difference in that. Of course, again, because plastic bumper and metal body, of course, we understand. But overall, excellent. Very good. Excellent, very good. So if you're looking for a Porsche Cayenne that looks good, that you enjoy, that will not give you a headache, that hasn't been exposed to the heat and the weather condition here, I think this is good. This is in fact very good. See, let's have another walk around. I love walking around. Look at that side pose. Very nice. Does that look? Oh yes, look at that. Look at that. Okay. We have documentation on this car. All the books are still here. I laid it out for you earlier. So all the books are there. Looks good. Very clean from inside. Good. That works too. Fantastico. Now let's have a look at the car from inside. So we got these red door inlays. Of course they have been painted. They didn't come like this. So I will move the car to somewhere where there's more light so I can show you the interior. Right, so before I show you the interior, let me just show you the car in a bit better sunlight. Right, that's how she looks in sunlight. I missed the roof rails earlier, so this needs a bit repainting, of course. Right, okay, let's have a look at the interior now. So, there you can see, overall very good condition. This would just need repainting, right? This needs a little bit touching up. So if we did a good detailing, that would be great on this car. There are small damages here, see that, but that's not a big deal, that can be fixed. But of course it is the age of the car, right? We agree that it is the age of the car. Steering, of course, if you wanted to enjoy, you should get this reupholstered. I don't think paint is a good job because I've done this in the past and it just does not do justice to a nice car like this. So I would reupholster this. Even with the look of this car, I would even put Alcantara, would look amazing. Kilometers 132,000. Speedometer is still in miles, but you've got the digital display there in kilometers, and you've got the kilometer count in, the mileage count in kilometers. Right, no error lights except for the tire pressure sensor. Now that could be due to the wheels. I'm not sure, we haven't checked it yet, but most likely that's what it's going to be. Car has heated seats, very nice. It's got this legendary Japanese audio system. The tall cards and stuff is still there. Is that little Japanese navigation. Gorgeous. All these accents done in red. Still looks very good. Dashboard looks immaculate. Doesn't look tired at all. Even has got speakers there. Very nice. Back is very clean. That's it, guys. Let's have a look at the boot as well. Very clean. All good. This is of course missing. It's not there. What do we have underneath here? Original spare wheel. That's how it looks from the back. There's the chassis number. All good. So here you can see the owner in Japan got this Japanese manual. Cool. Here you can see it says US number, so US spec. Coolio. That's good. Now let's have a look at the engine bay. Oh yes, look at that. Clean. Very, very clean. Got this Cayenne air intake. Nice. See, you can... Okay, it's a bit dirty, but it just needs cleaning. Other than very clean. Very, very clean. Lovely. That's fine. It's not from an accident. You see just the rubber there has gone inside a little bit. That's it. Guys, send me a WhatsApp, give me a call, send me an email, send me a bottle post. Well, by the time the bottle post arrives, probably cars will be sold. There she is. One last look. Happy days.